Here's the definition of what a construction proposal is, or sometimes known as a bid or an estimate. There are 4 components that are extremely critical that must be included in every single construction component. The first one is the costs. What is the cost of my project? And it's typically broken down, and it should be, is labor, materials for each line item, as well as profit and overhead and general conditions. So I'm just going to put general conditions. I'm going to lump them together. So it's about 40%, give or take. I'm just going to put 20% for example's sake. The second component, extremely critical, is your timelines. How long is it going to take to complete this project? Is it 50 days? Is it 100 days? Or is it unknown? If it's unknown, go back and ask that question. It's extremely important if you're an owner, franchisee, or franchisor. So understanding the timelines, because it's going to be a return on the investment that you're making. The third is your inspections. Inspections is extremely critical because those are your trigger points or your trigger milestones, and it helps you plan for your project. When are you opening? It also triggers payments to contractors, so forth and so on. So this is your triggers when things are occurring. And then the fourth is your qualifications and exclusions, your Q&E. Extremely important. What are you paying for? What's excluded in your project? What's included in your project? And what's qualified on your project? So you must have your costs, timelines, inspections, and qualifications. It's extremely important when you're looking at a bid to have that. We provide that in one simple report, one page within BidVita in less than 6 minutes on any single location. But when you're dealing with a contractor and you're evaluating a bid, these are important. Is your cost? What are your timelines? What is the return on investment? When is the cash register going to start ringing and I'm going to start generating revenue? If this is unknown, it's a no-no. So go and ask that question. Make sure you're asking questions on your proposal. And the third is the inspections, which are your major trigger points, and how many inspections do you have? When are they going to occur? And then your qualifications and exclusions. What's included in my project, what's excluded, and what's being qualified. So that makes up a full proposal, and it gives an entire picture for you as an owner, for the general contractor involved in that project, and keeps everyone accountable. So those are the 4 components that's required on every single construction proposal.